Let's explore the fifth principle of persuasion: authority. Authority involves deferring to experts in a particular field to support decision-making. Businesses often leverage this principle by bringing in consultants to lend credibility to their opinions and influence key decision-makers. A personal example illustrating the concept of authority is my experience in implementing process improvements within insurance companies. Initially, I had to work diligently to convince stakeholders to trust my judgment and take risks on the decisions I proposed. However, as I successfully delivered tangible enhancements in processes, systems, and service delivery, I established myself as an expert in my field. Subsequently, decision-makers were more inclined to empower me to make decisions autonomously, recognizing my expertise and credibility in the domain. The final principle we'll discuss is scarcity. People inherently value what is scarce. When faced with limited availability or opportunity, individuals experience a heightened sense of urgency and desire to act swiftly. For instance, imagine where there are only 3 spots left for an upcoming trip or event. The scarcity of available positions prompts individuals to make decisions promptly, fearing the potential loss of opportunity. Similarly, scarcity can be leveraged in various contexts to influence decision-making. For example, when filling positions on a board with a limited number of seats, emphasizing the scarcity of available positions can encourage individuals to act decisively. By highlighting the limited availability and the risk of missing out on opportunities, decision-makers are compelled to take action sooner rather than later. It's important to note that while scarcity can be a powerful persuasive tool, it should be used judiciously and in appropriate contexts. Overuse of scarcity tactics can lead to skepticism or distrust among decision-makers. Therefore, it's essential to employ scarcity strategically and ethically, ensuring that it enhances rather than undermines the credibility of the persuasive message. In summary, authority and scarcity are 2 key principles of persuasion that can significantly influence decision-making. By leveraging the expertise of authorities in a given field and emphasizing the scarcity of available resources or opportunities, communicators can effectively sway opinions and motivate action. However, it's crucial to wield these principles thoughtfully and responsibly, recognizing their potential impact on the decision-making process. As we delve deeper into the art of communication, we'll explore various styles of talking in the next lecture. Join us as we uncover effective strategies for engaging and connecting with others through conversation. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.